Oh, hello, dear children. How are you? I hope you all are well and good at your places and enjoying your learning sessions with me, Navneet Kaur, your mathematics teacher. Uh, what say? Okay, you think I'm worried? Maybe I'm a little lost. I was actually thinking, where are my pens? I have this pen holder, this cup as my pen holder, and I had put a lot of pens inside this. I guess they were more than 10, but now I think these are less in number. So, why not we count it? Will you help me? Okay, let's just take them out of this mug and now we'll count. Okay, so please help me. This is the first one, second, third, so these are three in number now, fourth, fifth and sixth. Yes, I had more than 10 and these are lesser in number. My god. Now this is a headache. Oh, my hairstyle. I may spoil my hairstyle now. It's a headache. I'm so worried about my pins that my ponytail is let me go and redo my ponytail. How many of you have done ponytails? Oh, you look good in ponytails. Let's talk of ponytails today. This is a great idea. How many ponytails? So this is 15th chapter for grade 2. Let's start. Let's check out how many ponytails these children have. Come on. Bananas, apples, oranges, fresh fruits for you. Bananas, apples, oranges, fresh fruits for you. Dear children, the fruit seller has many fruits for you. Look at them and find out what the different fruits are. Look here. Yes, he has apples and mangoes and oranges and bananas. These fruits look delicious and very fresh. Count and write. How many apples do you see? Yay! You are right. These are 4 apples. Okay, now look at these bananas. How many bananas do you see? Have a close look. Yes, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Correct. These are 5 bananas. And look here. What are these? Correct. These are oranges. Juicy oranges. How many oranges do you see? Well done, my children. You have responded very well. These are 3 oranges. I am really happy with you. And look, who's very happy here? Yes, Mithu is very happy. Look how he is flying. I like govas. What do you like? Hey, listen, Mithu is asking you. Look, Mithu is telling you that it likes govas. And it is also asking you what you like. So, dear children, come on, tell us what do you like to eat? Which fruit is your favorite? Okay, good. Someone likes apples, someone likes bananas, someone likes oranges, guavas, pineapples, grapes. Wow. So, all of you have different choices. Very good, my dear children. Hey, look, dear children. Mala is looking so sweet. She is going to school. Her mother has combed her hair. Mala has 2 ponytails. Look at the children in your class. All children comb their hair in different ways. Let's look and write down. Here are some hairstyles. Let's write down how many children have these hairstyles. Hmm. Write down the number of girls with one ponytail. Which is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Oh, great! 8 girls have one ponytail. And look, how many girls have two plaits? Hmm, there are, let's see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, so in all, total 7 girls have two plates. Well done, dear children. So let's see how many boys have this kind of boycott. Well done, dear children. 6. Okay, now tell me the number of children with one ponytail is dash. You have options more or less. Then the number of children with two plates. So, what is the answer? So, think how many children had one ponytail? 8. Very good. And how many children had two plates? 7. Very good. So, the number of children with one ponytail is more or less than the number of children with two plates? More. Well done, dear children. Correct. The number of children with one ponytail is more than the number of children with two plaits. Okay, dear children, now look here. Dash children have boy cuts. So, do you remember how many children had boy cut? Correct. 6 children had boy cut. So, let's write 6 here. 6 children have boy cut. Hey, dear children, look at the feet of children in your class. Everybody is wearing shoes, chappals, sandals. Look. And now look at the sole of the shoes or chappal. If there's a number on the sole, what is it? Yes, it is your shoe size. So, dear children, now you have to fill this table. Look here, some shoe sizes are written. And in front of this, we have to write the number of children who have this size. So, let's count. Let's see the soles of these footwears. There are some shoes, chappals, and sandals. Let's count. How many of these have shoe size as 9? First, this is second, third, and that's all. Okay, so let's write 3 here. So, 3 children have shoe size of number 9. Now, let's see number 10. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, so that's all? Yes. 8 students have shoe size of number 10. Now let's check out for number 11. How many students have this shoe size? Hmm. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. That's all. 5 students have number 11 as their shoe size. How many have number 9 size shoes? So, how many children? Answer correct. 3 children. Well done, my dear students. Now, look at this blank. Let's fill in this blank. The number of children with 11 size shoes is, guess, do you remember? Correct. 5. 5 students have number 11 as their shoe size. Okay, now fill in this blank. The largest number of children have dash size shoes. Correct. 10 size shoes. The smallest number of children have dash size shoes. Correct. 9. 9 size shoes. Very well done, dear children. Hey, what is this child doing? He is drinking some water. We drink water every day, dear children. Do you? Yes, all of us drink water every day. Ask your friends how many glasses of water they drink in a day and write below. So, how many children drink a glass a day? One glass a day. Raise your hands. Let me count. Let me count. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so six children drink one glass of water per day. Now let's write how many children drink two glasses of water per day. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, seven. Let's see how many children say that they drink three glasses of water per day. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, so four hands are on. So this means that four children drink three glasses of water per day. Let's write four here. So, how many children drink four glasses of water a day? First, second, third. So, in all, three children drink four glasses per day. Let's write three here. Okay, now, dear children, you have to tell me that how many children drink five glasses of water per day? Two. This means in all total, two children drink five glasses of water per day. Okay, dear children. Now you have to fill these blanks up. The number of children who drink one glass of water is, yes, six. Well done. Very well done. How many glasses of water are here? How many glasses do you see? Yes, five glasses. Okay. So, five glasses of water are drunk by dash children. Tell? Yes, two children. Okay, very well done. So, listen to the next statement. The number of children who drink. How many glasses are here? Three. Very good. Three glasses of water is dash then the children who drink. How many glasses are here? Two. Two glasses of water. I repeat, the number of children who drink three glasses of water is, your options are more or less, right? You have to put it in blank. You have to choose the correct word, more or less. Then the children who drink two glasses of water. So, three glasses of water were drunk by how many children? Four. Very good. And two glasses of water were drunk by how many children? Seven. Very good. So, the number of children who drink three glasses of water is more or less than the children who drink two glasses of water? Yes, less. So, it is less than the children who drink two glasses of water. Okay, dear children. There are many colors around you, my dear children. So, ask your friends about the colors they like the most. How many children like yellow? Write the number in the table and fill the table with other colors as well. So, here are the colors liked and here are the number of children. So, yellow, for yellow, what is the number of children? Yes, seven. Very good. You have already counted. Seven children love yellow color. Okay. So, what about red? How many children like red color? Five. Okay, let's write five here. How many children like blue color? Four. Okay, let's write four here. How many children like green color? Three. Okay, well done, dear children. Now you have to find out and color the box. Most children like dash color. So hurry up, think, look at your table. Correct. Yellow. Most children like yellow color. So let's Children who like yellow color are more than children who like red color. Okay, look here. Children who like dash color are less than children who like dash color. Yes, children who like green color are less than children who like blue color. Well done, my dear children. So, did you enjoy this interactive session? Okay, your smiling faces are telling me a lot of stories. You are really happy. I am happy too. Why? Because as I told you that I have lost some pens were missing. Just now I found all my pens back. I told you I had at least 4 more pens, and see, all these 4 pens are back with me. So I am happy. Let me keep them back so that I don't forget them now. So, dear children, what have you learned? Yes, you should always count your belongings, and then it will be easy for you to keep an eye whether your things are lost or not. So, even if you give and take, you borrow things from others, you will be very happy that you know how many things are with you. So, keep counting. Winding this all, I would like to take your leave now. So just take care of yourselves and wait for another exciting interaction with you. Till I come back, stay tuned. Bye bye for now.